Pen Pencil, and today, let me scoot this little thing close to me. Today we're doing day 6 of the Juleetcode challenge on LeetCode. So I'm going to be doing my solution in Python today, and I have not read through this yet, so let's read this together. So the number for this is 209, and the title of this equation is minimum size subarray sum. Okay, let's get into this. Given an array of positive integers nums and a positive integer target, return the minimal length of a subarray whose sum is greater than or equal to target. If there is no such array, return 0 instead. Okay. So, what I'm seeing right off the bat we should be using a two-pointer approach to find that that minimal length of the subarray whose sum is greater than or equal to the target. So minimum length will need to be I don't know what just happened. I think someone has a TV on in the background. Min length will also need to initialize left in current sum to 0. So let's do left and then current sum. Also, I just realized if you hear the TV in the background, I think my cat just stepped on the remote. Oh, that's hilarious. Okay, and then let's do a float. Inf. Actually, let's do this. That's gonna make more sense. Okay. So the next step of this, we'll need to iterate over the nums array here with the right pointer, but we need to add the right pointer. So I guess we could do for right in range and then do the length nums and then have that, because when we enter like this, we should do like a for while loop, and when we enter the loop we need to shrink the subarray from the left as long as this current sum is greater than or equal to the target. So let me write that for, and then I'll do the while. So for right in range len nums, we'll say current nums right. So we'll need to so I said we're going to do while current sum is greater than or equal to the target. I'll then I need to update the minimum length by taking the minimum, right, of the minimum length, right and left, or right minus left plus 1, right, in order to get the length of the subarray, and then I would need to subtract the element at the left pointer from the current array. So it'll be like current sum minus equal nums left, and then we increment left by 1, I think. If I'm... So, okay, wait. I'm thinking about this for a second time. So, add the element. Jojo. She's a ham. Okay. So I want to do the minimum of the minimum length, right minus left plus 1. So I think this is how I want to write this. Right minus left plus 1. And then I want the current sum to be less than or equal to nums left. And then I want left plus 1. So basically it'll repeat these until we reach the end of the nums array. So what do we do for the return of this though? That's my next question. Because we need to return min length, but only if it's not infinity though. I.e., that would indicate that a valid subarray was found. And I guess otherwise return 0. Can I do a return? This might not make sense. Minimum length if it's not infinity, right? If min length float. I think that's gonna be right. And then we'll just say else 0, so that way if there's nothing there, it'll just return 0. Yeah. Yeah. So like if it's, okay. So let's run it. We're gonna run with it. Oh, I got him. Oh, yeah. Okay. See, that was medium? I guess I can see how that one's medium. Okay, perfect. Well, just so you guys see I haven't submitted anything yet, let's submit it. Ba-da-ba-ba-da. Excellent. I bet this is a super long editorial. Yeah, it is. Okay. You guys can read this on your own time if you want to. I feel like ooh. It's Python 3. Let's see some of the solutions. I love how people do these titles. Python 3. Some of these people are on this immediately. This is so wild to me. I'm like, it's like 11 o'clock my time, and to see some of these from like 3 hours ago is so wild. Okay, I just gotta know. 9 lines? I know this is Python 3, but like, also. I actually really like that. For my submission, I wanted to see, could have been better. Could have been better. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. This has been day 6 of the Juleetcode July LeetCode coding challenge. It's a mouthful. And this solution, again, was in Python. I'm going to put this in my GitHub. Hopefully going to upload this video here in the next couple of minutes. So that'll be on my GitHub also. So feel free to clone and fork the repo if you have a better solution or if you have a worse solution. Yeah. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Well, bye.